Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 New Collection CNC Spindle Motor Review 2025.
Number 4.
This 2.2 kilowatts ER20 water-cooled spindle motor set includes a 2.2 kilowatts 220V inverter VFD, 80 mm spindle clamp, and water pump. Ideal for CNC wood routers, it offers powerful, stable, and precise performance, perfect for engraving, milling, and carving on wood, acrylic, or aluminum.
Number 3.
Feature off spindle motor, 1. Reasonable structure design, simple and compact configuration, easy to take apart. 2. High precision, high in flexibility, high efficiency, long operation life. 3. With high grade size, shape, position precision, and quality of surface. 4. Enough abrasive resistance, vibration resistance, stable size. 5. Work stable, low noise, enough fatigue strength.
Number 2.
Product sell points. Versatile compatibility, designed for compatibility with various CNC routers, including 3020, 3040, and 6040 models. Precise collet check, ER11 collet check ensures a secure grip for accurate milling and engraving tasks. Direct voltage connection, 220V voltage input allows for direct connection, eliminating the need for a frequency converter.
Number 1.
The Hampos 0.5 kilowatts air-cooled spindle motor with ER11 check delivers reliable CNC performance for woodworking, engraving, and milling. It includes a power supply and speed governor for precise control, ensuring smooth operation, stability, and efficiency in demanding DIY or professional CNC machining projects.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.